Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to remove or replace the batteries of your JBL Boombox 4. So this speaker actually has a removable battery, and that battery is at the bottom of the speaker. So if you look closely at the bottom, you have this area here that has this little door with some Torx screws that you can use a Torx screwdriver or Torx driver like this one. Okay, so a Torx driver just looks like a star. I'm just trying to bring it as close as possible so you can see. So that's the tool you need. It's called a Torx driver. Okay, and you use that because you have Torx screws at the bottom. Okay, so what you need to do is first of all turn off your speaker just to keep things safe, and then you want to flip over the speaker and then use your Torx screw, the correct size. They're not very tight, so you don't need to use too much force, just a gentle unscrewing. Okay, so that's 1, 2. Then once you undo those screws, you can just put either the tip of your finger here or something blunt. Okay, just making sure you don't destroy this thing. And you might have to use something blunt like a butter knife. I'm just gonna put this in there and then just use this as a pivot to kind of just pry it open like this. Once you pull out one of the sides, you can now just use the tips of your finger to pull out the rest of it. Okay, now you can put that to the side and then you'll see the battery. Now the battery, because JBL expects you to remove it at one point or another, has put this little tag that you can use to pull out the battery. Okay, and there's the battery for your JBL Boombox 4. Now, if your battery has lost its battery health and it's no longer keeping charge or maintaining charge, you can replace the battery. Or if you're going for a long trip and you have some extra batteries and you want to replace so that you can continue the party, you can just go ahead and remove this one and switch it over to the other one. Now, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can buy some extra batteries for your Boombox 4. Okay. Now, once you get the other battery, if you're trying to replace, it's going to look exactly the same. Make sure you align the pins with the pins at the inside there. So just align it properly like this, slide it in like that. And once it's in properly, you want to put back the case, the cover, beg your pardon. You want to start with the bottom. Okay. Then now you can push in like that. It's really hard to push in, so you need to use some force, and that's so that the speaker maintains its waterproof capabilities. Okay, so make sure you press the edges. So make sure you press all round until it's completely flush with the speaker, and then now you can put in back your Torx screws. And simple as that. Okay, then you can now go back to your speaker and turn it on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.